Hi guys, today we're at Deborah's playroom with this.
And this is a family farm from Storytime Toys.
Yay!
It is a three-dimensional puzzle. All sorts of cool parts and pieces.
Look on the back.
This is going to be a lot of fun to put together.
Yes.
You know what I like too? It comes in a carrying case in a box, all the pieces.
Yeah, so you can carry your thingy wherever you go.
Are you excited to put this together?
Yeah!
Okay, we're going to get your daddy to help you put this together today. Would you like that? Okay, let's get going.
Yay!
We want to thank Storytime Toys for sending us this awesome farm set. And we've listed their Amazon link in our description. Okay, you got your daddy here to help you, so let's see what's in that box. It's 34 pieces, I know that.
Ooh.
And a book. Okay. Very nice.
Ooh, some farm animals.
That is a lot of pieces.
Let's dump it out and see.
Whoa. Animals.
Wow, lots of pieces. These pieces are made out of environmentally friendly EVA foam and board book style cardstock.
Here's some tomatoes like we have.
Let's get it put together. Let's work on putting it together.
Help me out here.
Do it.
You take these and put them here.
Sure, Daddy.
You put this one
Here?
here.
Here. Okay. Ooh, that's hard work.
So we're going to end up with a barn that has working doors,
Yep. That
Yep.
one goes there.
and there's stables for horses,
See? It works.
which looks like you might be making the stables now.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay.
And
So then let's start with this wall and these faces.
okay.
Come on. Put it on this one first.
Okay.
Put this here, and this goes here. Awesome.
That's really hard work.
And this face
Go.
goes on this side.
This is hard work, guys. You might need an adult to help.
Make sure you push it in.
You might need an adult to help you guys if you have this set.
And this,
Because this requires some time with your parents.
yeah.
And that's a good thing,
Yep.
because I know you like that.
Yeah.
And these go in. These go in here.
Is this the roof?
Yep. This is the roof.
Whoa. Here's another roof. Don't forget that one.
This one goes in here. Down in here. Let's line this up. There we go.
That's really hard work. I can't even stop saying that.
And now you got a barn.
Oh, look at the doors open.
And these doors
Very cool.
tell all of you guys the farm animals. Horse.
I like your little farmer's hat, Leilani.
Thank you. The horse.
I see.
Dog.
Mm-hmm.
Cow.
So what are we going to put together next?
We're gonna put together the
Chicken coop.
chicken coop.
All
What was
right.
I gonna say?
Where do you think these go?
These go here. might need someone to help parent or anyone they have at home.
And where does this one go?
Here?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to do this.
You gotta push it in.
Like that?
Just like a puzzle.
Just like that. And then where does this go?
This goes up here because it's a roof.
It is the roof. Perfect. What is that?
This is a ladder so the chickens could go down.
Oh, how cute is that?
And then this is for inside.
And there's some eggs that we put in there. This is what we put in there. And there's some little eggs that been cooked. Not cooked.
I see the eggs. Are there any chickens?
Yes, there is chickens.
Here's a rooster.
More chickens. Here's some chickens.
Aww.
There's another brown. Where's another one? It could be here somewhere.
So could these chickens go in here?
Oh, we got 2 more chickens.
Yep, we're gonna have some chickens out here.
Yep,
And some inside.
this is her little egg.
This is really a fun toy.
This is the mama, this is dad. The mama fell. The daddy fell. Do you know what the red thing is for, guys?
What is the red thing?
It's for a drink or eat. You put those in there, then they could eat or drink.
So you built the chicken coop?
We built it. And we built the farm.
Now we built.
And you built the barn.
So, let's do these first.
The fence.
To the pig thing. Add some food. Let's put
Right.
I bet that's where the pigs live.
Yep.
Are you using the extra pieces for food?
Yeah.
We gotta build the piggy's place.
Let's do it. I know how to do this part. You do this, and you do this. Now you got a place for them to sleep. Then you put these here. I should have done the little pieces first, because now this is going to break.
We got it. See?
Yay. One in my pedal.
And where the piggies go. Uh-huh.
And one more sleeping.
Where's the mommy pig?
Right here, and she's gonna eat.
Oh.
Yum, 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 yum. I like it. build these.
Here, we gotta build the planter beds first. They go here.
Here. Where did
Now,
this
what do you
go?
grow in here? What are those?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes? And what else do they grow?
Ooh, I gotta get.
Ooh. Oh, those go out there. You like tomatoes?
Well, I don't know yet.
What else are they growing?
They
Oh,
grow corn.
What are these things?
The sunflowers.
Yeah, let's put those in here too.
And we can't forget that it comes with a book.
Yeah.
The book teaches children what it's like to live on a farm.
Yep.
You live on a farm?
No.
Why not?
Do you know why I like this set? Because all the deer lines, it looks really good, and it's not like all brownish. It has all like deer lines, like the grass. It like has little spots.
So it looks like real grass.
Yeah, and
Very
then like
good artwork.
this, these little grasses, and where the corn and the sunflower is. And I like the hose because it's realistic.
Let's see. Oh, it is.
And these little flowers and stuff.
You like that?
Ooh, looks like you're growing vegetables in there.